the spicy kimchi.
Wow. Okay, so this is a kimchi pancake. So, wow. First time. You're having a hard time trying to cut. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I love kimchi pancake. Okay, so what we have here is a Korean beef tofu soup. It's just tofu with a lot of stew and beef and stew and beef. And then that's it. And it's always, you're supposed to combine it with rice, so.
Wow. And this is the kimchi pancake. And I got kimchi fried rice, bulgogi, with an egg. Whoa, that's a Domino's car. A designated like area to put, designated area to put like pizza. Maximum capacity is 80 pizzas in this one little car. That's pretty gnarly.
Too bad I don't have a long neck.
You don't want a long neck? That's pretty cool. Like you just tap it and it just
Hold it.
yeah, you just hold it and tap and hold and it just do. It's like not even a button. It's like a sensor type shit. That's pretty cool. Pretty nifty. Wow. Alright guys, so we're gonna go eat, finally, get some dinner. Well. Right, Slaters.
Oh shit, that's the boy Gavin. There's me one. Oh, the homies, yeah.
Marinate the edamame.
If no one likes the marinade, you just only do a few. Oh, wait.
Oh.
But it's not even that. You grill it.
Oh.
Grill it. You get that glaze on the edamame, so you mix it around.
Okay. Chef me one, okay.
No, these are the hacks. These are like the fucking hacks.
Okay.
Okay? And then you dip it down.
Oh, the little sizzle. Oh, thank you.
And you put
Here we go. It's your boy, Pretending Peanut Butter and Nuts, Gabby. No way, baby. Alright, what is this? Oh shit.
Wait,
Oh
not
shit.
good.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, what am I trying?
yeah,
Gotta try this. Alright guys, we got some edamame that's seasoned with some spicy sauce. Let's try that shit. Ooh.
It's glaze.
Ooh. That shit bombini, no, for real. Alright, spicy tuna marinara. Cheers. Ooh. Alright. I was saying, this is a bomb lady for real. Poppy and see. Poppy and say. Is that young Charles? Young Charles. Goodbye, Charles. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Top ramen.